My package came. Today we're opening Hot-Tone Ampere-Press. So it's like a volume expression pedal. So this is the first one. So we got the package itself, bro. Wow. So it's the Hot-Tone Ampere-Press. So let's see. Look guys. Oh, this thing. Ito po ang unang version ng Hot-Tone expression pedal nila. Ito po ay Ampere-Press. As you can see, this Hot-Tone. Meron po siyang dalawang out. Expression, out. Normal lang. So, pwede po itong gawin na volume and pwede po siyang gawin na expression. Yun lang po. Thank you guys. Thank you. God bless.